Hello, I'm Gurvin Kaur, Asia Pacific Content Lead at Rockwell Automation. And today in the studio, I have with me Daniel Bays from Real Pet Food. Hi, Daniel. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
So could you give a little introduction on what it is you do and what Real Pet Food is about?
Yes, I am the Analytics Capabilities Manager in Real Pet Food. Real Pet Food is the largest manufacturer of pet food in Australia. We have 4 sites across the country. We attend mostly products for dogs and cats across all segments in the industry. The story of Real Pet Food in the production side of things comes from a long list of acquisitions. As a result of that, all the landscape in our factories has a variety of components, and some of them are outdated, some of them are newer components, but ultimately we needed to get a little bit more standardization across the sites. The information that we have is very disjointed and has been coming as a result of manual information that has been collected.
So talk us more about the process of getting into that, having that visibility, integration.
We didn't have much expertise around it, and it's been very useful to have particularly the Kalypso team of the Rockwell companies to help us in that process. So in that space, we've been in a process of lifting information of where our sites are, what are the elements that we need to work with, replace components, what software we can put on top, and then what type of information is that we need to focus on and how do we use that information as a result.
Okay, so what are you hoping to achieve or see more of in maybe the next few years?
Well, we're just at the start of this journey. So we have energy readings coming through, and that's already giving us the insights around how we can better utilize information, particularly around our boilers and the consumption of energy across the heat exchangers across the sites. So the expectation is very high around what's going to come for us. And what we're expecting really is at an initial stage is work through our asset monitoring, looking at quality improvements and waste reduction. One of our core values is work as a pack. And as a result of that, the team has been able to really engage and embrace the whole solution that the team from Kalypso has recommended. And because they can see the benefits pretty much at the fingertips, it's just giving them even more impulse to continue driving work through the stream.
Well, I'm looking forward to catching up with you again to learn where you're at next. But yeah, thank you so much, Daniel, for joining us.
My pleasure.